Hello, friends. So you are here because you want to learn more about construction workers. So let's read a book together and learn about what construction workers do in our community. Let's meet a construction worker. Chapter 1, Trucks with Teeth. Our class is taking a field trip. We're visiting a construction zone. Mr. Moore greets us. He is the boss here. He's going to show us how construction workers build a new building. He says we have to stay outside the fence. Workers only in the construction zone. Friends, why do you think we can't go behind the fence where they're working? Why did these children have to stay outside of the fence? That's right, because it's safer outside of the fence, and you need a lot of safety gear to go into the construction zone. Construction workers are people in the community. A community is a group of people who live in the same city, town, or neighborhood. Some construction workers work on buildings. Some build roads. Iron workers, concrete workers, carpenters, roofers, and plumbers are all construction workers too. Wow, there are so many different types of construction workers, friends. This isn't just any construction site. It's our new school. But right now, it's mostly dirt. Awesome, Aiden says. We can play King of the Hill at recess. Mr. Moore smiles. All this dirt will be flat. You'll have a playground on top. Do you see the construction workers building the playground in the book? That's how our school's playground was built too. We see lots of trucks. Some work with big metal teeth. Some have strong arms. An excavator digs wide ditches for basements. It digs narrow ditches called trenches for water pipes. It also moves dirt for making roads. The trucks don't do all the work. People are inside. They steer, they guide heavy loads. Of course, someone has to drive all these big trucks, and they are construction workers as well. Chapter 2, Safety First. Mr. Moore used to be a carpenter. He helped build things with wood. Later, he was the lead carpenter. Now, he is the leader of all workers. He follows plans that an architect created. Together, the workers turn those plans into a building. Construction workers take classes and get training to learn how to do their jobs. They may start work as apprentices. That means they learn on the job from other workers. Mr. Moore's number one job is keeping people safe. He makes sure workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. They wear orange safety vests so others can see them easily. Beep, beep. A concrete mixer beeps as it backs up. Beep, beep, beep. The beeping helps keep everyone safe. Workers know to move out of the truck's path when they hear it. Wet concrete flows through a long pipe to the ground. This will be our school floor. Will we sink into it? Luke asks. Mr. Moore says the concrete will dry and harden. Then carpets and rugs will go on top of it, just like our school. Chapter 3, Green School. Some workers work high above the ground. Masons build the walls with bricks. Someone runs wires for electricity through the walls. Crunch! A few bricks break. They will be recycled, so will leftover metal, wood, cardboard, and concrete. He unrolls our school drawing. Solar panels on the roof will take in energy from the sun. This energy will power our computers, lights, and more. Wow, that is very cool. so we can gather energy using the solar panel from the sun and use that energy to turn the lights on and turn our computers on. We can't wait for our sunny green school to be finished. Because Mr. Moore lends a hand to build our new school, we give him a hand. Friends, that was a lot of information about construction workers. There are different types of construction workers, and they had to learn different skills so they can build buildings for us. What did you learn about construction workers? Please finish the activity and tell me what you learned about construction workers on Flipgrid.